What's up guys, in today's video we are going to play slime RNG. I'm pretty sure it's a game where you like fight slimes and you roll slimes and you can upgrade also. And I already started playing just a tiny bit, so yeah, that's all. Let's go, we got the next zone. Let's upgrade something. Loot. Let's go. Wait, there's an upgrade? I don't see anything. Wait, how do you go back? Oh, back. Right in. Come on. Yes. Auto roll. Let's see what we could get. No. Ruby stacks. Oh, I thought I saw something. Wait. Yeah, I have some better. See what the bonus is. Oh, sunset sucks. It looks cool, but like it sucks. It takes forever. Buy some goggles and what's that? Oh yeah, you can. Oh, I know what that is. How much rolls you do? Player. Nah. Loot. Buy apple. See what else we can buy. Luck one. Yeah, we'll just buy apple. Shop. Ooh, should I set the starter pack? Yeah, I'm gonna get the starter pack. Get 10% off with Robux Plus. Bro, that's cool. Yeah. I'm alright. Cool new update though. Cool. Lucky rolls. Okay, cool. Let's look at that. Really good. Whoa, it's so good. Oh wait, we have so much money. Let's buy lucky boost. Four slides. Big slide. Wait, how do you cook your potion? Oh, there. I'll use one of those. Ooh, you can feed it to oh yeah, we have another slot. Yeah. Let's wait till it gets pretty good. Ooh, bonus! Ah. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Like a line because this is gonna be a long time until I get something good probably. And yeah. Ooh, Orca. Cool. Nice. What? What do we get? That's it. Spike Epic. Cool. Well, we got something new.